remember it like yesterday, the moment in time I took a chance. My journey uphill began, and I haven't looked back down ever since. Thought I had it all figured out, with a compass and a map to guide my ways. I didn't even count the cost, cause I knew one day it would pay out. And I'm still climbing, bumps and bruises,